Good morning, and welcome to the internet. My name is Mark, and I'm going to be your host today. Well, if you're watching this video, there's a good chance you own a C5. I don't know about you, but this car has had me at my wit's end more than a couple times. We're talking brink of divorce, losing my job, foreclosure on my house, your whole family losing respect for you because they think you're a joke of a mechanic. But you try your damnedest. You try so hard. Now, two of the main things that'll get you riled up about your C5 is your miscellaneous grounding issues and electrical gremlins and your Ebcm, more commonly called your ABS system. Now, 97 to 2000, you pretty much can't fix them. 2001, 2004, they are serviceable. With that being said, I did my homework. And in layman's terms, I'm going to walk you through the entire situation, what's going on between your ABS, your electrical gremlins, and hell, even your gas gauge. After you watch this video, everything's going to make so much sense, and you're going to be the envy of all of your Corvette friends. Now, I'm going to walk you through exactly what's going on with everything I was talking about in the clearest, most precise, layman's terms possible, so stay with me.
Now, basically, the only new principle involved is that instead of power being generated by the relative motion of conductors and fluxes, it's produced by the modial interaction of magnetoreluctance and capacitive diractance. The original machine had a base plate of prefamulated amulite surmounted by a malleable logarithmic casing in such a way that the two spurving bearings were in a direct line with a panametric fan. The lineup consisted simply of 6 hydrocoptic Marsal vanes, so fitted to the ambifacient lunar wane shaft that side fumbling was effectively prevented. The main winding was of the normal Lotus-O deltoid type placed in panendermic semi-boloid slots of the stator. Every 7th conductor being connected by a non-reversible Tremie pipe to the differential girdle spring on the up end of the gram meters. Moreover, whenever fluorescent score motion is required, it may also be employed in conjunction with a drawn reciprocation dingle arm to reduce sinusoidal depleneration.
Now, hopefully that cleared a few things up. And if I went too fast, I apologize. Feel free to ask questions down below. All right, now obviously that was satire. I came across that video on like a TikTok, and I haven't seen that stupid video in probably 10 years. I thought it was hilarious. I wanted to use it because it's so absurd. But the things that it cover, honestly, the fuel gauge, I got a video on. The grounding points, I have another video on. And as far as the ABS module goes, 2001, 2004 are serviceable. 97, 2000, as far as I know, you gotta replace them with the same year or from a 2001 up, if I'm not mistaken. I might do some more research on that. Don't get too mad about this video, I was just being silly. I had fun doing it. Side note, I threw some front wheel hubs on yesterday. Because the car is 21 years old, I have no idea what they were done. It really stiffened up the steering, feels amazing. I'm gonna do the front tie rods later this week. And then I'm gonna remove the entire exhaust. I did a really crappy wrap on it. I'm gonna ceramic coat it, and actually I'll film it for you guys if you guys are curious about ceramic coating exhaust. And while I have it out, I'm gonna check out the clutch too, see what's going on with it. I think it wasn't shimmed properly. That's my theory. So we'll find out. And I really have no idea what clutch is there. I have no idea, no idea. So we'll find out. Well, that's all I got for today, and I'll catch you kids later this week. Mark out.